Alright guys, we're back again today. We're working on pulling the pan down so we can get the oil drain in there. Then we're going to go ahead and change out the rod bearings also. So Chris is pulling his nuts off right now. So we're working on the bearings right now, trying to get them in.
I'm in line now.
Alright guys, we got all the rod bearings in. All that's good to go now. Now I'm trying to figure out where this oil drain is going to come down, so it'll have a hose running up into here. And in the pan, the fitting that they send you with this kit is aluminum. If you have aluminum pan, a lot of singles do, you can just weld that bung directly to your aluminum pan. I have a steel pan here, so I ended up getting a steel hose barb fitting here. Got that in there, so that'll go hopefully about right there. I'm going to screw it in. I'm going to go ahead and weld it too. So, but that's it for now. All right, guys. So I got the fitting welded in on the oil pan. I went ahead and put a layer of JB weld on it also, just to smooth everything up, make sure it's good and sealed. So I got a HKS style air cleaner also, as we took off the nasty one. All right, guys. So I got my dad out here. This is Lawton. This is my dad. We're working on. Just did the oil line, oil return here. Now we're going to run the actual oil line and try to get that done. Got all the fitting and everything done. So throw the oil line in, and then we're going to see if we can crank this thing up and run it. So on the D16A1, the dual red cam here, you have this collar which has coolant going through it, and you have to remove that in order to get up in here to get to that little hole right there, which is where we pulled out the sending unit. The only way you can get anything in there is pull this out of the way. All right, guys, we're gonna fire it up now and see if we can let this thing run. So as soon as you put in bearings and really even the turbo or anything, you should fire it up, let it get all the way up to temp, just idling, and then shut it down and let it cool completely down. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So I have removed the drain line and doing a little bit longer to fix that leak, and then I fixed this, retightened it back up, so hopefully that'll be fine. Now I'm looking at the downpipe. Obviously, since we moved the turbo around the other way, we have the downpipe coming down this way now, so we're having to cut it apart. So we'll see how it works. All right, so here is the downpipe, which we've hacked all up, and got it somewhat lined up to about right there, which will send it down this way. Okay, so now that'll be going straight down, and then we're going to hook on the end of the downpipe, which is here, and we're going to have to cut a small line down here, but then that will hook on. All right, guys, here's the downpipe. And come off the turbo down, and now we'll exit out the side. And obviously I am not a welder, do not claim to be, but I might have did an okay job. I don't know, definitely doesn't look good as the TIGs that were done on there, but hey, little 110 MIG welder works pretty good. Doing a little grinding. Daddy just got through grinding it, and it definitely looks a lot better. Kind of impressed with our two welds there. Looks pretty good. All right, guys, so Should have all the leaks fixed. I ended up getting rid of the AN fitting on the drain here. It's just the curve that it has to make. It was just fighting me, so I went ahead and switched to just the old school hose there. Here's the downpipe, which looks pretty cool, and we've got side exit here, so it should be actually right below the fender. So it should be like the fender's like right here, so it should actually come out right here on the side. It'll be kind of cool. So that's all those goodies. So we're about to fire it up. All right, let's fire this beast up. And see what it sounds like. See if we got any oil leaks. That sounds pretty good.